So I have, good morning y'all, how y'all doing? So I'm headed to run my errands today. And I'm wearing my black shoes. I don't know if y'all can see that. The sun, I got my, hold on. Got my Wonder Woman socks on. There we go. Sweatpants. And let me turn this around. My black jacket. Yeah, I got makeup on today. Black coat. And 2 shirts. So let's see. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm gonna have to go up under to show you. Hold on. And yes, I have my hair tied up so it can lay down. Okay, here you go. Got 1 shirt. 2 shirts. And I zoomed in for this. Y'all, they gonna have to fucking wait. I'm sorry. But yeah, so that's what I got on. And I know it was zoomed in. It probably looked a mess because it was zoomed in. But yeah. So I'm finna just get started doing what I gotta do today. And that's basically it. Okay, I was gonna say, damn, I can't see shit. But here go my shoes in the shade. And how I look today. My jacket on. And my shirt. I'm wearing black. Yeah, I have 2 shirts because it's cold. But I know it's going to get hot with 2 shirts on. So, I'm like, just in case it get hot, I can take this jacket off and just wear my 2 shirts. But other than that, that's it. Oh, real quick, I had to get the fax number from, come to find out, Kitty. 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 Right here, Kitty. Good morning. Look, Kitty. Hi, Kitty. Good morning, Kitty. Bye, Kitty. I'll see you later, okay? See you when I get back, Kitty. If you be here. Damn, I didn't know that cat was still over here. I got 2 pictures, though. But hopefully it took. Okay. It said it took. Yeah, I did my eyebrows, even though I said I wasn't. And put some lip matte on. Hopefully it don't look too bad because I'm trying to cover up this fever blister that I got from being all this weather change and shit. But other than that, I don't care. I really don't. Look at still up there. Y'all ladies or anybody that does their eyebrows, do it itch when y'all do your eyebrows, then your eyebrows itch. I don't know, but mine does. I got my car, but hatchback. If I would have got that one, it would have been really small. The trunk would have just been dug out and turned into a hatchback. Ain't that damn serious. But yeah, y'all. I'm gonna just let y'all walk with me to the bus stop. See y'all. Well, I gotta go through all this extra stuff. I can't just get in the car and just go shopping or go grocery shopping or whatnot. Cause I gotta get me some shit for New Year's tomorrow. Today is already, happy New Year's Eve, y'all. Today is already New Year's Eve. I ain't even think about that. Hopefully y'all have a safe, blessed, amazing day. And be safe tonight, because people gonna be shooting fireworks and all that shit. Like I said over here, they were shooting fireworks on Christmas Day, Christmas Eve. Till about 1:30 in the morning. From 5:30 in the afternoon to 1:30 in the morning. That's just too damn long. That's too damn ridiculous. Like, why would you want to shoot fireworks on Christmas Eve? Oh, these my Nike Roche 1 shoes. Forgot to tell y'all that. But, yeah. This is my attempt at, or my definition of a vlog. Whew. I just don't do a lot in the way it's supposed to be done. But I do what I can do with what I got. And if people don't like my lips, then you shouldn't be looking at them. Just as long as I'm not bothering you, you don't need to come that close. And like I say, yes, I do have my head covered. There's more other people that have their head covered. Should zip that up if I fuck around and get sick. Fuck around and have sore throat. I got my shadow. It's always collect water right here. But yeah, going to the bus stop. It's my shadow. Y'all forgot I had to make a damn phone call. But yeah, I had like a breakdown yesterday. And I'm still kind of having one. I'm just trying to put on that good face for it. I'm trying to at least put on a good face for the day. If I can, I will. Oh, there's damn trash down here. Storage problem. Good morning.
This is the store now?
Okay. At least I did say good morning. But yeah, I'm finna just keep walking. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get down there. Yeah, bye y'all.